Okay, this is Sam from the Frugal Hugel Gardener, and I'm here at the Reed Farm in DeLand, Florida, and we're going to go ahead and cut some bamboo for his banana, to prop up his banana plants right now. This is how he does it.
All right, so we've got this little sickle here. It's actually called a corn harvester. It came from the bargain bin at Tractor Supply. A friend of mine picked it up one day and brought it to me. He goes, I have a feeling you could use this. And I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I'll tell you, this has been a handy tool. I've had it for several years, and I just run it over my bench grinder once in a while and clean it up. So I'll hit this at a 45-degree angle. If you hit it straight on, you just bounce back. You know, you might make a nick, but bamboo is tough stuff. So hit it at a 45 and you tend to be able to get through all these fibers a lot easier. Like that. Yeah, I almost got through the second one. And there we go. Now I gotta dig them out of here. Not get stuck by these punji sticks that are all over the ground from.
Okay, fantastic. Now we're gonna walk around to the banana plants. Okay.
All right, so now we're over here at this banana. These are my Orinoco's. You see a fresh flower has just popped up. It's going to give me a really heavy bunch of bananas. That's going to be solid. So I'm definitely going to need support this. So what I'll do, take my bamboo, and I'm going to set it in here. It's going to be at an angle, kind of like that. So I need to know where it's going to land. So I just look at the node. That one node is just above there, so I'm going to call that my spot, which is right there. That's just above the base of that stem. So I just need a little bit more. I'll go about like that. And then I'll take the other one that we cut, and we'll make that one just about the same length. And then we take a string. So I like baling string, but I happen to have a piece of rope. Doesn't really matter what you use, it's all going to work. You just tie these together. It doesn't take a whole lot, just a decent string to just keep everything locked together, and I'm just going to split these. So then I'm going to come underneath here. Right there, that's where you're looking to support. So I split them, go up under, direct fall into the center. That's it. You don't have to take the weight necessarily off of it, because as it gets heavier, it's going to go ahead and pull itself right into the crotch of that bamboo, but now it won't fall over. And that's a huge problem when you put all this time into growing these big, beautiful bananas, and then they fall over on you.
So there you have it. That's a fast, easy way to prop up your banana tree or plant. That way, when you got the full amount of bananas on it, the weight doesn't make it collapse to the ground.
I mean, they'll get 60, 70, 80 pounds, 100 pounds if you get a big rack. That one's going to be really pretty heavy, because that one's looking really nice. So there you go.